Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, and the topic is how to add order tracking page on Shopify. And in this video we are going to break down step by step guideline for beginners. Let's dive into the main topic. First of all, you need to be create an Shopify store, and then you need to be shift on dashboard panel. Once you shift here, you need to be go here in sales channel all night store. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you will able to see three options: themes, pages and preference. So just again click on the pages option. Once you click over here, you can see we already have a contact page, but right now we need a new page that my name will be tracking page. So that reason we need to be create a new page. We can click over here in the top corner. You can see in the right side add page option. Just click over here. Once you click over here, you will have the option for title. Without title, you are not able to save this page. You can see the save button is not accessible for us, so you need to be create the title. First of all, I will give a name that will be tracking page, so we can remember it by our name. And now you need to be create your visibility visible. Once you click over here or you check the visible option, now you have the option to save. So after saving this page, you can view the page option that our page has been published. Once you click over here view page option, you might able to see the page. So you can see this is our tracking page. Now we can edit it, we can modify it as ours. Okay, let's again go to the dashboard and now click on the name option. Once you click over here, you are allowed to enable the content section. So we need to be work on this option right now. So for that reason, we already make a doc for us. So I will share this doc in the description. You may check the description, you will find this out. So we need to be scroll down in the end of the doc and we will find out this tracking page script option, and just click over here and copy whole tracking page script and then copy it. Once you copy it, then again shift to this page and paste it here. Before I want to say you, before paste it, you always need to be enable this show HTML. Without enabling this option, you are not able to design your page properly. Like, let me give you an example. Just click on the save and now view the page. Now you can see if we refresh the page, we are not able to design it properly. We can distract our page. So we can see the code are already pasted, but the code is not working perfectly. So for that reason, to working the code, we need to be enable this show HTML option. First of all, just remove it, then just click here. Once we click here, we are able to make or paste our code here. Now you can see it is working as a subline text or other kind of code text where we can write our text. So you can see our text has been pasted here. Now we are going to save it here. Once we hit the save button, now we can view it. Just click over here view option, and now you can view that our tracking page has been completed and we can track our product as our tracking link. So I am going to give a random number that will be random, and just click over here in the track button, hit the track button, and you can see that this is our tracking box and our tracking is working. So in this random name we don't have any tracking number, that's why we are able to see this not found. So eventually you can see our tracking page has completed, and right now we want to add this tracking page as a navigation bar, so our customer or our client can easily access this tracking. Let's edit our navigation bar. So for that reason, we need to be click on our store dashboard panel, and here we need to be click our pages option again. So you need to be go in the content option. Once you click over here, you can find out this menu option next to the file. So here you can see we have three options: main menu, footer menu, and customer account main menu. Also you need to be click on main menu. Just click over here, and then you can see that our page, home, catalog and contact. Also you can see in the menu we have home, catalog, contact. So we need to be edit here. Just write tracking page, tracking, and then copy the link from that place and paste it here. Once you paste it here, they will give you the suggestion. Just click here and randomly select the button and click on save. Once you hit the save button, the menu has been updated for your page. Just refresh the page and view it, and you can see that our tracking navigation bar has been working perfectly. So the main work has been remained for us, so we need to be work on it. That is our notification. So once a customer purchase something from your store, they will give some kind of notification for order creation, order place. So for that reason, we are going to edit the customer notification and made it our tracking page friendly, so they can also get this tracking page on their mail section too. So let's scroll down and find out the shipping update option, and here just click shipping update option. Here you can see this is our preview for our shipping page. So this message will be provided to their email who purchase product from our. So in case if you want to edit the page, you need to write something HTML code or HTML something that will convenient with your tracking or email template. It's one kind of an email template, I can say. So you can see the preview. So now I'm going to edit the code. I will click over here. Now you can see we are not able to edit it. So for that reason, editing this page, we need to verify our email. So I already verified the email, so I am going to check this out from that place. First of all, go to the setting, then I will click on notification. Once I click over here, then I will click the customer notification, and once I come over here, I will scroll down and find out the shipping update option. Once I find out this option, I will just click over here again, and it will take me to this place, and I will just click over here edit code option. Now you can see that I already confirm or verify my email account. So for that reason, I am able to or allowed to edit the code over here. So I already write a code for my notification, like a confirmation email. You can see it. So you need to be just copy it, scroll down over the till the end, and then you need to be paste it on the page where we are able or allowed to edit the page. So here I will first of all remove all those things, and then I will paste my code over here. Before it, I need to be change something that will be my href link. So I am going to paste my tracking page link over here, so they can, when they will click on track your order button, they will redirect to this page, tracking page. So that's why. So let's paste the link over here, just copy it and remove it and paste our link. You can see this is our website link and this is our tracking page link. So everything like it, you will find out this code in the 102 lines. So it's make you, I am trying to make your process really easy for you and simple. So right now you need to be click on preview to watch the result. So click over here. Once you click over here, you can see that this is our email template, and you will be able to see this by whenever you create an order in our website. Just click in track your code. Like let me give you a send test email. Once I click over here, my test email sent to this option. This is my Gmail. So let's dive into this Gmail, and I will find out the option. So create a new tab and click on Gmail option. Once I click over here, now I am allowed to see, look, we already get an test email, and now you can view it whole procedure, whole result. So once you click in track your order, you will redirect to tracking page. So customer is now easily requirement the tracking page, and I make the website more friendly for my customer, so they don't face any difficulty when they are ordering the product, and whenever they will get email, they can track their product, they can visit our store too. So I can say that this video will be helpful for you, because I am trying to break down each and easy step one by one and try to describe everything simply and quickly. So this tutorial will be helpful for you, and if you watch the video till the end, then I will request you to like, subscribe and comment our channel. It will help us to boost for further audience. So thank you. I hope I will catch you in the next video again.